Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll be working on Mercedes CLK and we will show you guys how to remove and replace the subwoofer. Okay, that's the big speaker you can see right here. That's behind the seat. So if yours is bad, we'll show you how to get to it, how to replace it. Stay with us, please subscribe, and let's go ahead start on it now. Alright guys, so what we need to do, we need to lift the seat from the front end and then we need to pull it out of the seat belts. Okay, you can see like that, and the bottom seat is out. This is the easy part. Now, removing the other seat is not so easy and we'll show you why. And you can guys notice all the rust when it was left open and they get some water. With a 13mm now, there is a couple of bolts that we need to remove. Okay, one there, you can see where it is, and one on the other side as well there. Okay, there is more to it, so stay with us guys. Okay, let me show you. That's what the bolt looks like. With a 10mm now, there is another one. Okay, it's right there between the belts. So now, what do we need to do? We need to remove the armrest there. Okay, pull that cover, leather cover. And we'll have two screws here with a Phillips screwdriver that we need to remove. Okay, get those out of the way. Now we can go ahead and close it. What you need to do next, you need to lift it straight up now. Okay, you need to grab it on each side. And now on this side here as well. And the seat guys is about to come out of there. Okay, this is the seat, you can see. So the speaker guys now is located behind that plastic cover there. We need to get a Phillips screwdriver and we need to remove a few screws. So let's do that now. One on the bottom as well. And those plastics sometimes tend to break. So if yours is broken and rattles, you definitely can replace those. And you can see all the solenoids here that are part of the convertible top. Okay guys, and it came right out of there as you can see. Now the speaker itself is inside, so we'll need to go and get a Torx bit and we'll come back to it. So we're using a T20 bit, Torx 20, and we'll remove the 4 screws now. We'll need to go ahead, pull the wires, disconnect those. Okay, like that. And this one was still holding there a little bit. And now you can pull the speaker guys, the sub out of there. As you can see, this is it. Original one, factory. So that's how you guys remove it. You install everything in reverse order, we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.